Hey everybody, Lone Star Rocker here in Huntsville. We're heading back to Dallas today. I saw this stop along the way. Figured we'd come in here and take a look at this amazing statue of Sam Houston. Violet, are we visiting? Yeah. Here we are. We are visiting Huntsville. The Visiting Kitty Center. It's our welcoming kitty. Meow. It's the welcoming cat. We're visitors. Meow meow.
Yeah, I think there's another visitor who's that car. Which
way did she say to go? Follow this trail. She said to follow this trail to the statue. All right, let's go. It's just a short hike, but I think we're gonna see something pretty darn neat. It's a little piece of Texas history. And there's Sam Houston's head. He's a big guy. That's just a piece of what the statue was going to be. But we're going all the way to see the big guy. You think of, kind of a big statue, right? At first I thought it was Jack Daniel's statue, but I was wrong. Let's see if we can get all the way out in front here. There he is. All the way up. Try to get them all in the picture here. There he is, Sam Houston. And then, very hard to tell, but there he is. Of course, the sun is directly above us here, so it doesn't make it ultimately easy. Let's see if I can get around the other side. There he is, Sam Houston, the man that captured Santa Ana and brought justice to the Alamo. Sam Houston, 1793 to 1863, the man that captured Santa Ana, standing gloriously above us. Kind of hard to tell. Is that the biggest statue you've ever seen? That thing is ginormous. Let's see if there's a visitor center. Maybe they got some information we want to check out.
October 22nd of 1994 is when it was dedicated, and the project began sometime in July of 1992.
And these are just little pieces left over, I guess?
No, those are pieces from the original construction. So the pieces on the far left-hand corner are the ear and the chin. We did 3 pulls of the face, so they were actually molded.
Where's the ear and the chin? Oh, these pieces here?
Side, yes.
Oh.
Those are just pulls from the face. He actually did molds. He didn't actually sculpt any of it. And this is the life cast molding he did of his neighbor who had the same body structure and height as Sam Houston.
Oh, what a lucky guy. It's them putting it together. Probably looks scary just seeing that on the side of the road. People are like, what are they doing? Definitely an interesting guy. A nice shady visiting center, huh? Are you ready to get back to Dallas? It's been a long trip. Kitty, kitty. Are you saying goodbye? Bye, kitty. We'll see you later. Take care of Sam Houston for us, okay? So that's the Sam Houston statue. If you're ever in Huntsville and you got 20 minutes to burn, just stop inside and check it out, man. It's worth it. So anyway, we're gonna head back to Dallas. We got a long way to go, but I'm gonna upload something cool to watch. If you like what you see, please subscribe and have a most rockin' day.